Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix Snapchat no connection error. So yeah, it's pretty simple to fix, but before I tell you the steps, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, because it helps our channel to grow, and you guys can also get notified once our new video releases. So be sure to do that, and let's start the video. And watch this video until the end if you guys want to know how you guys can fix this, because if you skip then you guys might get confused on how you guys can fix it. So you know what I'm trying to say, right? So watch this video until the end. And without any further ado, let's start the video. To fix Snapchat no connection error problem, it's pretty simple. The first thing, as it says, no connection error. If you're not connected to a Wi-Fi, then basically you are gonna face this problem. It's kind of stupid for me to say, but yeah, like if you are trying to open Snapchat without connecting to a Wi-Fi or like any network, then you're gonna face this problem. So make sure your internet connection or Wi-Fi is not turned off. And the other thing is, even if you're connected to a Wi-Fi, then if it is a slow Wi-Fi or not a stable Wi-Fi, then it's gonna say no connection, because Snapchat is trying to connect to a server to log into your Snapchat, or you're trying to send a snap and it's not able to due to slow internet connection. That's why it's saying no connection error. So make sure your internet connection is stable and fast. And the other thing is, if your Snapchat is not up to date, like make sure your Snapchat is up to date, because this problem could be caused by a bug, and if your Snapchat is not up to date, then it's gonna show you this problem. So go to Play Store or App Store, depends on the phone you're using. iOS, then App Store, Android, then Play Store. I'm an Android user, so I'm on Play Store, and on Play Store go to Snapchat. As you guys can see, there's open instead of update, which means my Snapchat is up to date. So make sure your Snapchat is up to date as well by seeing if there's any update button over here. Since there's not, my Snapchat is up to date, and yours is up to date as well if you don't see an update button. But if you see, then make sure to update it. And after updating your Snapchat, if you still face this problem, the other thing is if Snapchat servers are offline. Basically what I'm trying to say is, like, if Snapchat server is offline due to maintenance, like they're trying to repair something on their server, they're going to turn off your server, which basically means like the server is offline. So if Snapchat server is offline, then it's not your problem or our problem, it's Snapchat's problem. They're trying to fix their server. So we need to wait until their servers are online again. To check if their servers are online or offline, you can go to Snapchat's Twitter, and if a lot of people is tweeting about it, then basically their servers are offline. And the another thing is, you can go to Snapchat's Reddit and check if people are posting about it. A lot of people are posting about Snapchat server being down, then they are probably down. You need to wait until Snapchat servers are online again, and this problem will be solved. And the last option is delete Snapchat, reinstall it again, because if it is caused by some kind of corrupted file, then deleting Snapchat and installing it again is like the best way to fix it. So yeah, that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next, and drop down any comment you guys have with this video. We'll answer you guys, solve your problem and your question as well. So yeah, have a nice day. Bye bye.